Hey everyone, in this video we are going to see how to create purchase credit note in VT transactions. So in transactions, you will get option of purchase credit note. Okay. Now I'm going to raise a credit note against the supplier AIDL. So just click on shortcut key PCR. Just select that particular supplier. Now you have to enter the details of credit note like credit note numbers and all things. Just enter the amount and you have to select the analysis ledger here. Okay. After entering all the details, just click on save. Just a minute, I have to change the year here. Okay, 15th April 2024. Now just click on save. So our credit note has been successfully created. Now let me show you. So in AIDL ledger, you can see the PCR, that is purchase credit note. Now credit note has been created, but now I have to allocate that credit note against that particular purchase invoice. Okay. Otherwise, it will come as outstanding bills or credit note. So I have to allocate credit note against that particular bill. So simply select from here. Okay. And just click on this allocation mark. Okay. Here you can read it, match of selected entries against each other. Okay. Once you click here, it will remove from open entries category, but still it appears in current year's entry. Okay, and same you can access all the entries from all entries tab. Fine. So as you can see the allocation mark, and if you want to remove, then click here and click on de-allocate. So it will come again in open entries tab. Let's match off. Fine. So in this way we can also match off or set off credit notes against that particular bills. Now let's create another credit note. Click on PCR. Just enter the basic detail and just click on save button. Now come into the supplier list, click on Booker. As you can see the credit note, just simply select both transactions and click on match off. Fine. Now this is the one way by which we can create a credit note. Now we can also raise a credit note against particular bills. Let me show you how. Suppose if I want to create a credit note against this bill, then just click here. Then there is option of raise credit note. Now here you have to just enter the date of credit note and basic details and just click on OK. So our credit note has been created. Let me show you how does it look like. Go into the supplier, click on Booker, and you can see the credit note. Okay. Still, I have to allocate the credit note against bill, then select both things and just click on this allocation mark. Fine. Now let's create one credit note again in same way. This time I'm going to create a credit note of AIDL. Just click on bills.
And for you is what fathers were key.
And click on raise credit note. Now change the date, and if you can also enter the details and notes if you want to add. Fine. Now come into the supplier, or you can also access from here also. Just click on AIDL and you can see purchase invoice, purchase credit note, and let's allocate it. Okay. Now if you want to make any changes in credit note, then you have to click on credit note and this kind of display will be there and you can simply make modification as per your requirement. Fine. And for de-allocate, you have to just click on that particular entry. So in this way we can create credit note. We can also raise credit note against particular bills and we can allocate credit note against bills. Okay. Thank you.